3 Phillips screws holding this plate on. Just lift that off of there. And this assembly can just pull off as well. And this will have to be removed to pull this clutch cover. So, and again, just tap on it, it'll break that seal loose. That Kickstarter seal will probably hold us up a little bit, but there's your clutch pack there. Here's your clutch cover. Got 10mm bolts holding this on. Just 4 of them here, and they're spring loaded. Keep all of these together. And this will be how you replace friction plates or steel plates, clutch baskets, the hubs. And that rod that I showed you clear at the beginning of the video will go and push against this here. This rod runs all the way through, and there's a ball. So that ball will hit this, and I have to tip that motor over to get that ball out of there, but that ball is down in there. I think a magnet will pull it out, but that ball, it's this rod here, the ball, and then this plate here, and that releases that clutch. So we've got a snap ring there that we got to pull out. Majority of the other vehicles have a bolt right here that will need removed, but this one just has this snap ring. Snap ring comes out, and then what I do is put this back on. Find the groove that it sits down into. Put these bolts back on and put a little pressure on these, and then you're able to lift everything out together. Now if you're replacing your friction plates or your steel plates, you got to pull all this apart at this point. But we're keeping all this together. So we'll put these back on. Once you get them started, you tighten it down. Springs sometimes too will need replaced. Then we'll go ahead and remove this other snap ring, pull it all off together. And this can all be pulled off there at the same time. There's your clutch pack there. This is what is called your clutch basket here.